Let's begin the match. And 3, 2, 1, go!
We are quickly approaching 100 matches played here at the Michiana Premier event, which means we are starting to wind down our qualification round and approach the Alliance selection of this event. Firing up from deep, 8620 Worm Gear Warriors in the pink, joined by their partners Unity Sunset out of Brazil. Unity Sunset sending artifacts right on up, pulling some more airborne, firing them into the goal. The one does skip off the top. Still, Red Alliance retaining a lead over Blue as Autonomous winds down into its final seconds.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Looks like all 4 robots did indeed leave during auto. They got off those launch lines, and as such will all earn 3-point bonuses. Now with 1:50 left to go in play, these robots zipping around the field, ready to go, trying to lock down as much scoring as they can. Unity Sunset still firing from deep for the Red Alliance. Worm Gear Warriors clearing out the gate, making sure Red's artifacts can classify in for full points. As a reminder, if artifacts overflow off the top, they're only worth 1 point as opposed to the 3 or 5 they could be worth if they fully classify down. 1:25 to go, 103 to 42, so Red is growing a strong lead, but the Blue Alliance is not going to be caught empty-handed. 11-409 Kraken Coders lines up with a barrage of 3 going right on in, filling up their classifier. Here comes the high voltage Couch Bananas, lining up to fire. Their flywheels are going. 1 goes up, 2 go up, and 3 go up. One of those making its way down and in. Those locking their way down into the classifier for 3 points apiece. 55 seconds to go. A lot of traffic concerns down in that near launch zone. Those teams need to be firing artifacts right on in, but they need to make sure they have space to do so. Looks like Unity Sunset returning back to their outer, farther away launch zone, giving them extra space to fire off their turreted shooter, making sure they can keep on raising the Red Alliance score without being impeded by traffic. 32 seconds to go. 157 to 84 is that Red Alliance lead. Red Alliance had 51 artifacts scored so far to the Blue Alliance's 24. These alliances still trying to churn through fuel as fast as they can. Worm Gear Warriors with the hot pink details on red. Still working through artifacts for that close launch zone. Now scooting their way along the field, holding down near that red base zone. They may be returning to base. We'll see how they opt to prioritize that. Unity Sunset coming in for the same. Red Alliance lining up. If they can get a full and a partial, they lock down the movement RP. Looks like they may have done that, as did Blue, as time expires.
Red Alliance is the winner of match 98 with 206 points. Good job.